karbis. We have a report.
On September 2nd, the first round of tripartite talks was held between Union Ministry of Home Affairs, Assam Government and members of the Joint Action Committee for Autonomous State or JACAS. The talks centered on the demand for autonomous state under Article 244A of the Constitution, comprising districts of Karbi, Anlong and Dima Hasao. The dialogue was chaired by the Joint Secretary Northeast, Shambhu Singh, and the state government was represented by Home Commissioner Mukti Gogoi. The chief convener expressed his satisfaction at the talks, but cautioned that they have no intention of calling off their agitation. The advisor of JACAS said that the dialogue was positive and the government has asked for details of the proposed autonomous state, which will be discussed at the next round of talks scheduled for October.
The discussion is positive and we have been requested, or we have agreed that the JACAS will make a detail of our demand and submit it to the government in the next meeting.
On September 3rd, the centre held talks with two Koch Rajbongshi groups on the demand for a separate state of Kamtapur. Talks were also held with the All Bodo Students' Union on Wednesday and the Bodo People's Front on Thursday to discuss their demand for a separate state of Bodoland.
We are very happy because the matter of statehood demand has been taken up in the discussion, and the government of India, they gave us a patient hearing, whoever the representative from the government of India, and the matter will be, studied. And in the next round of talk, that is already agreed on second week of October, it will be further elaborated. So we are very hopeful because it is in the positive direction.
In the past few months, several groups have intensified their demands for creation of separate states by launching a series of strikes in Assam. The government is taking all possible steps to reach an amicable solution with all the concerned parties agitating for separate states.